Hello class and welcome and a good Friday to you. This is going to be the final video. We are coming up upon the final module of the course, which would happen to be Module 8. So just a few things that I want to cover with you, as this is the official final video for the class as we are wrapping up the summer 2024 semester with the microeconomics courses. There's a few things that I want to cover, some very important things to remember here. First thing that you want to do here, and this is open now, click on Canvas, your course evaluation. Now, of course, as I'm loading it up, as I have my student view, it's not going to be visible on my end, but however, though, the course evaluation is there. So if you click on, you can complete the course evaluations. The course evaluations have been officially opened up before the course for you to engage and click and submit them. You can also access your email, your school email. So the link has been sent to your school email as well as being available here within the Canvas course shell. If you have any problems regarding the course evaluation, please feel free to reach out to me if you're having any problems having access to it, but you'll have two ways to gain access. You can access it through the Canvas course shell right here, or also it was sent to you, the link was sent to your school email where you will be able to have access to complete the course evaluation. So, you have until the final day on August the 4th, Sunday. That will be the final official day of the online course to complete the course evaluations. Now, let's get to the main substance of what you're going to be doing for the final week. And as everybody knows, as it's been made available for you, it was made available this past Wednesday in Module 8, you are going to take the final exam. So, this is what you're going to do. Click on this, of course, and this is your test review. So the final exam is comprised of all the assignments that you've done over the last several weeks. All right, so you have the written assignment along with the Connect assignment that you were submitting. And so if you go through this, this is kind of a cheat sheet, a test review guide of what to look at. Go back over your prior assignments before you actually go in and begin to complete the final exam itself. So this is a review test sheet that was put together based on the prior assignments of what you need to know in order to successfully complete the final exam. With that, going to the final exam, you're going to click on the final assessment here. And the template is going to be right here. It's a Word document. For example, if you can remember for your written assignments, the Word documents that you were submitting back over, you were either modifying the Word document, completing the assignment, or what you were doing, you were printing the Word document out and you were writing the Word document and then submitting it back over to me as an image. So that still applies. You can still do that. You can do one of two things. You can modify the Word document, complete the Word document for the final exam, and submit it back over to me. Or you can print out the Word document, but make sure that your writing is legible. I need to be able to understand, especially when you begin to draw the charts and we begin to draw your lines and curves of shifting pertaining to the question. I need to be able to understand and see clarity of everything if you're going to write it out and then just upload it as an image as opposed to modifying the Word document. So some very important things to remember. You can reschedule, but I don't think that that's imperative. It's not imperative for everybody to reschedule in terms of taking this exam. As far as the 72-hour compliance thing, I don't think that really applies to us. and schedule changes being allowed within 24 hours, that doesn't really apply. And the reason why is because I've actually extended the due date for the final exam. Instead of August the 2nd, which would have been a Friday going into Saturday, the due date for the final will be, and I put this in writing here in the instructions, it will be Sunday, August the 4th, going into Monday. So the due date and time to complete the final exam will be Sunday, August the 4th at 11:59 p.m. That's when all final exams are to be submitted over. So, and then also what I did, I created a rubric here in terms of what you're going to be graded on. The rubric is attached, and you will be graded on the rubric just like you were, for example, with the written assignments. You were graded on the rubric. You will also be graded on a rubric for the final exam as well. Pardon me. So 200 points total you can earn and accumulate here with the final exam. Keep that in mind. 200 points total. So yes, this is in terms of the assignments and tests that we've done, this is the heavier weight of your overall grade. So take your time. You are given only one attempt, not a second uploading attempt in terms of completing the final exam. One more thing to remember here as we go back to the module, to the final module, is that you want to give your initial post. There's one more discussion post. And you want to give your initial response to this. This is going to be due on Thursday night, August the 1st, going into Friday, August the 2nd. And so just kind of a reflective discussion post. This is 16 points that will go towards your overall grade. So you don't want to overwrite this. You don't want to overlook it. You definitely want to give your final initial response to the final discussion thread activity that we have planned for this course. So this is what you want to do. Why do you believe this course is required for your program? Okay, reflect on this. And how will you use what you've learned in this course to be $100,000 better off over your lifetime? Okay? You don't have to give a response, okay? But, however, think about opportunity cost. You know, we talked about opportunity cost this semester. Okay? Reflect on that and give your answer to answer this final discussion post. Again, replies to your peers are not required. Just give me your initial response, and that's all that you have to do. Okay, so, everybody, congratulations as we've come to the end of this course, and as we've engaged into the final module. Just a reminder here for those that are looking at this video, any past due assignments are due tonight. If you happen to be looking at this video on Friday evening, you have until 11:59 p.m. to submit past due assignments. This does not apply, okay? And let me reiterate this. It does not apply to the Module 7 assignment. Reason being, Module 7 is going to end this Sunday. So, do not try to clutter in completing the Module 7 assignments because those are not due until Sunday. This only applies, meaning past due work for Modules 1 through 6. All right, and I had to reference that to avoid any confusion among the student body. Okay, everyone, it's been a delight and a pleasure. Online learning can have its challenges. We're not meeting face-to-face within a classroom. There are different learning styles, however. You have an auditory, you have a visual, and you have a kinesthetic learning style. When you're face-to-face, oftentimes, there's more activity and there's more interaction compared to online learning. However, though, online learning is advantageous. It is. It's convenient. It fits around your schedule. Many of you are working professionals. You're already into your occupations, and you're just looking to pursue your higher degree to enhance what you've already accomplished, and then also to open up other doors so that you can further progress in your career or even make a career change. So I want to congratulate everyone on a successful completion of this course. It's been a pleasure being your instructor. Of course, I knew that the time would accelerate, that it would go by fast. Reach out to me, everybody, if you have any questions, and I will be available for one final Zoom meeting that will be coming up on Thursday. That would be August the... I have to look at my calendar here. August the 1st, yes. August the 1st, Thursday, I will be available for one final Zoom session. That will be from 5 to 6 p.m. 5 to 6 p.m. if you are available. If you want to request a one-on-one Zoom session, reach out to me. You can also do that as well as we go into the final module and into the final week. Just give me a 24-hour notice and I can set something up where we can meet on Zoom one-on-one. Okay, everyone, enjoy your weekend as we go into the weekend, and I'll be talking to you soon.